Real estate has changed a lot over the years. It used to be all about print advertising, but now it's all about social media. If you're not using social media, then you're missing out on a huge opportunity to get more real estate clients. The good news is that no matter if you have a large or small budget, it's possible to grow your social media presence with some thought and strategy. Welcome to Lead Agent Pro, where we give out tips to help real estate agents and brokers get more leads with their marketing. Social media is an important tool for real estate agents. It allows you to build your brand, share information about your business, and connect with potential clients. But if you're not taking advantage of this opportunity, you're missing out on a lot of potential business. Your clients are there and you need to be where they are. Social media can be a powerful tool for increasing brand awareness and attracting new clients. In this video, we'll look at how real estate agents use social media effectively, including why it's important for your business model and how you can get started today. Having a social media presence. If you want to get more real estate clients, you need to have a social media presence. Your potential clients are already on social media looking for real estate agents, so why not be there when they're looking? You can use Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn to post updates about your business and contact information. You can also use them to share information about current events in the real estate market, as well as new listings in your area that might be of interest to potential buyers who live nearby. There are so many ways that you can use social media to grow your business and attract more clients. Here are just a few ideas. Post photos of your properties and include hashtags like #realestateagent or #realestate, #home for people looking for homes in your area. Post photos of yourself working with clients or at an open house event so potential clients can see what it's like working with you in person. Create videos showing off some of the things that make your community great. Think local events, restaurants, landmarks. This will help people feel connected with where they live, which may make them more likely to want to buy their home in the community themselves someday. It's important to keep these platforms updated regularly so that people who can follow you can see what's going on in their local market. Making the most out of your posts. As you're posting, it's important to think about what you want your audience to do with each post you make. Are you trying to sell them something, get them to join your newsletter, or even better, are you trying to get them to work with you as a client? Make sure you have a clear point. The first thing you should do is make sure that your post has a clear point. If it doesn't have one, it will probably get lost in the shuffle of other people's content. And if you don't have a strong message or call to action, then nobody will remember what they read or what made them click on your page in the first place. Give your audience something to do. The second thing is to give your audience something they can do. Make sure they know what they need to do next after reading your post. Whether that means following a link or subscribing to an email list or whatever else will help them take action towards their goals. You want them thinking about how they can get more from working with you. Use hashtags and tag your location. When you're posting, you want to make sure that you're using hashtags and tagging locations so that people can find your posts easily. Hashtags are an easy way for people who are interested in certain topics like real estate to find posts that relate to them, especially if they aren't already following your page. If someone is looking for real estate services in Los Angeles and sees that a lot of other users have used #RealEstateLA in their posts, this could be enough reason or at least a good starting point for them to follow your page as well. But what if your posts are getting tons of likes and comments? You can also use this as a chance to ask questions. If people are liking and commenting on your posts, then they clearly have an interest in what you're saying. This is a great way to get more information from them. You could ask them, what do you think about how we price homes today? Or do you think buyers will be interested in buying properties with no smoking policies? Keep the conversation going with your followers by engaging with them. Repurposing your social media posts. If you're not repurposing your social media posts, then you're missing out on a huge opportunity to get more clients. Why? Because when you repurpose your content, you can reach a new audience and expand your reach. It's a great way to build relationships with people who might not have found you otherwise. Here's how it works. When you post something on one of your social media accounts, try sharing it again on another account. For example, if you post something about one of your real estate listings on Facebook, reshare it on Twitter or LinkedIn and vice versa. Most people know that social media is a great way to get more real estate clients. Here are 3 easy steps that you can use to repurpose your social media posts and get more real estate clients. 1. Craft a catchy headline and save it as an image. 2. Find the best time of day for posting on each platform and schedule it accordingly. 3. Use a tool like Buffer or Hootsuite to schedule multiple posts at once. You'll find that this helps boost engagement and provides more exposure for your business. Share your listings. If you're a real estate agent, you know that social media is a powerful tool for reaching new clients. But did you know that it can also help you get more clients by sharing your listings? One way to get more real estate clients through social media is to share your listings. When you post a listing on your Facebook page or Instagram account, you're letting people know that there's something they might be interested in and that it's available right now. This gives them the opportunity to contact you immediately. It also gives them the opportunity to see what else you have available so they can decide whether they want to set up an appointment or just keep looking. There are several benefits to sharing your listings on social media. First is you're making it easy for them to find you. When they do, they'll be more likely to reach out and ask questions about what's available, what price range they should be looking in, and any other question they might have about getting started in the process of buying a home. Second is people who are interested in buying or selling a home will see them. The best part, when someone clicks on one of your shared listings, they'll be taken straight to the listing page. This means they'll they'll see all of the details about the property, and if they like what they see and decide that this is their dream home, they'll reach out to you directly. And third is you're also giving people who don't yet know they want to buy your home a reason to think about it. If they see one of your posts, even though it's not something they were thinking about before, now they are. And who knows, maybe after seeing your listing post, they'll start thinking about buying a house sooner than they originally planned. And when they do, you can be there when it happens. Post relatable content. If you're a real estate agent and you want to get more clients through social media, it's important that the content you post is relatable. If your audience can't relate to it, they won't engage with it. When you're trying to get more real estate clients, you need to be able to relate to them and show them that you understand their needs. Social media is a great place to do this. Here are a few ways to post relatable content on social media. 1, talk about the things that they want to talk about. If they're interested in the housing market, talk about how the housing market is doing in your area, or talk about the things that are happening in your area that can affect the housing market, like construction projects. If they're interested in home decorating trends, share some of your favorite decorating tips, or share some home improvement projects that you've done yourself. 2, ask questions and encourage engagement. People love talking about themselves, and when they see an opportunity come up where they can tell their story, they'll take it. So don't be afraid to ask questions like, if you had $1 million, what would you spend it on? Or if there were one thing about your own town name that changed for the better overnight, what would it be? The key here is that these questions need to be engaging, relevant, and genuine. 3, share photos and videos. People love seeing things with their own eyes, and even more so when they can share them with others. So if you have some great photos or videos that show off your neighborhood well, share them on your social media like Facebook and Instagram. People love visuals, and if you're looking for a way to make your Instagram account stand out from the crowd, try posting videos or photos that include an element of storytelling. If you have a funny video of one of your pets being silly, or even just something silly happening in real life, share it. 4, include a call to action at the end of every post. Whether it's an email sign-up form or simply asking people to like, share, or comment on your post, make sure there's something for them to do after reading through all of your content. Interact with your followers. Engaging with your followers on a personal level will go a long way toward establishing trust and loyalty. People love feeling like they know the person behind their favorite brand or business. So take some time out of your day to give them that opportunity. Start by interacting with comments on social media posts. If someone has left a comment about your business, don't just ignore it, respond to it. Even if you can't reply immediately, you should check back in at some point. Let them know that you've seen their comment and are working on responding. Take advantage of the fact that social media gives you the opportunity to respond quickly. People appreciate being able to get answers quickly and easily, so if someone asks an honest question about your service, it's best not just to ignore them, but also provide an answer as soon as possible. If someone asks for advice about something related to real estate investing, but doesn't necessarily need help from you specifically, try replying with a link to a relevant article or website that might help them. You can also try asking for more details about their situation, so you can provide an answer tailored to their specific needs. This shows that you're willing to help people out and can be a good way to build your credibility as an expert in the field. Encourage reviews. Reviews are the best way to get your business in front of new clients, and they're almost always the easiest to get. A simple, "Hey, can you leave me a review?" at the end of each transaction will do it. If you've done a good job, they'll be happy to oblige. The more reviews you have, the better your reputation looks, and the better your reputation looks, the more people will want to work with you. Here at Lead Agent Pro, we have a system in place that will take your existing clients and the referrals you get already and turn them into positive feedback that everybody is able to see. Ideally, you want to have them leave you a review on your Google business page. There are several benefits to this. First, all of your reviews are in one place for everybody to see. You can compile your reviews from all of your social media accounts into one location. Second, your Google business page is a great place for potential clients to learn more about you. They can see your other reviews, they can read your About Me, they can get to your website or your landing page. But most important is that they can chat or call you directly from your Google business page. Third, Google loves getting reviews into your Google business page. Getting reviews into your Google business page is the number one for coming up for local searches. And the reason why that is important is that it's the best way to get to the map search. And the map search shows up above all the organic ranking for local searches. So when people are searching realtors near me or best realtors near me, the only way to be relevant to those searches is Google has to see your reviews consistently updating into your Google business page. And Google is the most widely trusted online reviews platform. More than Facebook, more than Yelp, more than Zillow, more than any other real estate marketplace. Google owns the market share. In fact, 80% of people say they will Google a realtor's name before hiring them, even after getting a referral and even after seeing your other marketing material. So your social media is a great way to get more reviews into your Google business page. You can simply share a link for them to give you a review right from their phone. Be consistent and engaging. Social media is a great way to get in touch with potential clients, but it's also an opportunity to build relationships with them. The best way to do this is by being consistent and engaging. You need to put out content regularly and interact with people who follow you. You have to be active on all platforms, at least Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and consistently share great content that is relevant to your audience. For example, if you're a real estate agent in San Diego who works with buyers and sellers of homes, you'll you'll want to share lots of posts about the market and trends in the area. So what does being consistent mean? It doesn't mean you have to post every day, although that's better than posting once a week. It means putting out content that isn't just about real estate in general, but instead focuses on things related to you and your business specifically. For example, you could have a blog that you use for writing about your business, and you could have a post you wrote about the history of one particular building in town. That would be very relevant for readers who may be interested in buying property there. Also, make sure that every post has a clear call to action so that people know exactly what they should do next. Click on a link for more information or schedule an appointment with you, and don't forget to respond quickly when someone reaches out. By posting and sharing on social media, you can let people know about yourself and your business and show them why they should work with you. You've posted a lot of great content to your social media accounts, you've made sure your profile is properly set up, and that is filled with high quality content. But do you know how many people are seeing it? It can be really easy for people to overlook your social media posts, especially if they're busy or not paying attention at the time. If you want more people to see what you have to offer, then try one of these 5 strategies. 1. Share your posts more than once. This will help ensure they stay in front of people's eyes longer. 2. Share photos and videos along with text posts, especially if they're short form videos like Instagram stories. 3. Try posting on different days and times throughout the week so that more people can see them. 4. Create a custom audience based on specific interests or demographics, like people who like my page or people who live in the city. This will help you target customers who are already interested in your business. You can also use this strategy during specific events or seasons like Christmas shopping season. 5. Boost your post. If you want to make sure that your post gets the most exposure, you can boost it. You'll have to pay a few dollars, but this is an easy way to make sure that people see your content. If you don't have a strong presence on social media, it can be difficult for potential clients to find you, especially if they don't know what to look for. By using hashtags, tagging other users and businesses, posting photos of your work, and even your pets and engaging with others in the community, you can make sure that people see you as an expert in your field and give them reasons to choose you over the competition. Make sure all your social media accounts are connected and that you know how to use all the features. You should be able to post on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Pinterest from one place. You can use your website to do this, or you can try another service like Hootsuite, Buffer, or Sprout Social to do this. If you're not already doing this, get started immediately. This will make it easier for you to manage multiple social media accounts at once and make sure everything is in sync. The reason this is important is that this will allow you to see any new comments that come in immediately on all social media platforms. It will also allow you to share valuable posts from one location, and you can share from one social platform to the next. And most important is by having all of your social media platforms connected into one place, it will allow you to see conversions, activity, and engagement from post to post. So you can see in real time which type of post your followers are responding to, and that may be different on each platform. You can track all of this data from one location. You'll also want to make sure you know how to use all the features of each platform, like tagging people or posting videos. This is important so that you can take advantage of them when necessary. The easier you can make it for people to find you, the more success you will have with generating new real estate clients from your social media accounts. Now that you know how to get real estate clients through social media, it's time to start implementing these tips in your own business. If you already have a website and are posting regularly on Facebook and Twitter, then this should be easy for you. Just remember that social media is about building relationships with people, not just talking about yourself all day long. On the other hand, if you don't have any social media presence yet, but want to start using it as part of your marketing strategy, then now is the perfect time. Who knows, maybe one day soon, these new connections will turn into paying customers too. We hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and subscribe below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss future videos as they come out. You can get the free step-by-step of the best ways to get more reviews for your real estate business by clicking the link below in the description. And if you want us to do this for you, you can book an appointment with us today, and one of our team members will show you how we can be your marketing team to do this for you. Our goal here at Lead Agent Pro is to bring useful marketing tips for real estate agents and brokers that can be implemented right away. See you in the next video.